Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Geometry Dash on keyboard. First, let's cover the fundamental controls. The spacebar is your main action key, used for jumping and flying. Alternatively, you can use the up arrow key for the same actions. Holding down the spacebar or up arrow allows your icon to fly continuously when in a ship or UFO, which is crucial for many levels. Mastering this basic timing is the first step to conquering the game's challenging courses. Once you have the basics down, it is time to refine your technique. Some players find it beneficial to use both the spacebar and the up arrow key, allowing for more flexible hand positioning during intense sections. Experiment with quick, light taps for small, precise jumps and longer presses for sustained flight or higher jumps. Developing strong muscle memory for these actions will significantly improve your reaction time and overall performance, especially in levels with rapid-fire obstacles. Geometry Dash offers flexibility in customizing your controls to enhance your gameplay experience. Navigate to the game's options menu, usually found on the main screen, to access the control settings. Here, you can see the default keybinds and remap them to keys that feel more natural or comfortable for your hands. For example, some players prefer using the W key instead of the up arrow. Spend some time experimenting with different configurations to discover what works best for you. The most effective way to master Geometry Dash on keyboard is through consistent practice. Begin by playing easier levels to get a feel for the game's physics and your chosen controls. The game's practice mode is an invaluable tool. It allows you to place checkpoints and learn challenging sections without restarting the entire level. Dedicate at least 15 to 20 minutes daily to practice, and you will notice significant improvements in your timing, reflexes, and overall ability to conquer even the most difficult levels.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.